Codey Rocky Education Pack 6 Robots. Quick Start Guide. Open MBlock and connect Codey Rocky to the software. On the main interface of MBlock, you can see a stage area, a blocks area, and a scripts area. The stage area can display the game or animation you designed, process device connection and upload its programs, set your sprites and backgrounds, etc. In the blocks area, you have all the coding blocks grouped by function categories. For coding, just drag and drop coding blocks from the block area to the scripts area. To copy a coding block, right-click the block and select Duplicate. To delete it, right-click the block and select Delete Block, or directly drag it back to the blocks area. You can verify your program right away under the Live mode. Simply click on the program to get the instant effect. So you can create fun projects with MBlock and Codey together for more game experience or AI applications in this mode. Otherwise, you can upload the program directly to the device in upload mode. In this way, Codey Rocky can run commands without connecting to MBlock. Save your projects to your MBlock account. You can view your work on MBlock after logging in. MultiThread Programming. Codey Rocky can run several programs simultaneously. It makes coding easy, even if your idea is intricate. With 6 coding blocks in MBlock, you can, for example, program Codey Rocky's facial expressions, motions, and sound effect at the same time.
Hello?
Use of sensors. Codey Rocky integrates various sensors. For example, with the light sensor, you can use loops and conditional statements in MBlock to make Codey Rocky put on sunglasses in bright light and take them off in normal light. Color recognition. Motion sensing. IR function. Game design. AI. Click sprites, then go to the Extension Center and add Cognitive Services. After that, you will have the Artificial Intelligence featured coding block, such as speech recognition, facial recognition, emotion recognition, and text recognition in the blocks area. For instance, MBlock can identify your emotion using the emotion recognition feature and make Codey Rocky do the same facial expression via programming. MBlock also integrates Google Machine Learning application. Thus, you can first teach MBlock to recognize different objects and then program specific reactions made by Codey Rocky accordingly. IoT. Click Devices, add Codey, then go to the Extension Center and add IoT function. Now, Codey Rocky can access and display real-time online data through its built-in Wi-Fi, control a remote device, or perform other IoT applications. Python. Codey Rocky supports Python coding. After grasping how to program with coding blocks through MBlock, you can move on to Python coding with a simple click and view the real-time code relationships and changes. Adept learners can step up to text-based coding and program Codey Rocky directly in the Python editor. Codey Rocky Education Pack 6 Robots empowers teachers to introduce AI and coding education in classrooms. Thanks for watching.